In the endless darkness between the stars, where sunlight no longer reaches and silence has ruled for billions of years, two ancient machines drift alone. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched in 1977, built to study the outer planets and then fade into history. Instead, nearly half a century later, they are still alive, still listening, whispering faint signals back to Earth across distances so vast that a single message takes almost a day to arrive. Recently, those whispers changed. Hidden inside Voyager 1's routine telemetry was a faint anomaly. At first it looked like nothing more than background interference, the kind caused by cosmic radiation. But closer inspection revealed something impossible. A reflection. A subtle echo of light that moved with intention. Its path curved. It accelerated. It remained steady, as if controlled. This was not how debris behaved. Plasma sensors confirmed it. The object was actively altering its trajectory. As engineers ruled out comets, asteroids, and dust, Voyager 2, traveling millions of miles away on a completely different path, detected the same phenomenon. Nearly identical magnetic fluctuations. Matching plasma distortions. A structured pulse signature too precise to be coincidence. Two independent spacecraft confirmed the same event. Skepticism ended instantly. NASA quietly escalated the situation. This was no longer an anomaly. It was an occurrence unfolding across vast distances. As more data arrived, the picture grew darker. There was not one object. There were hundreds. Exactly 305. They moved in perfect relation to one another, holding formation as if fixed to an invisible grid. In space, even slight differences in velocity cause objects to drift apart over time. These did not. They traveled silently, metallic and cold, without heat signatures or exhaust, gliding with an elegance that defied known mechanics. Even more disturbing were the rhythmic plasma pulses emitted by the swarm. Structured. Repeating. Intentional. Scientists compared the pattern to language, ordered beyond any natural process. Doppler data revealed something worse. Many of the objects were moving at speeds beyond any known propulsion system. No engines. No thrust. Instead, they appeared to manipulate space itself, gliding as if surfing invisible currents in spacetime. Some approached velocities that exceeded the galaxy's escape speed. While analysts struggled to understand what the Voyagers had seen, something unexpected happened on Earth. Amateur radio operators across the globe began reporting faint rhythmic interference, patterns aligning with the timing of Voyager's strongest detections. Signals with structure. Harmony. Direction. Intelligence agencies took quiet notice, not because they understood the signals, but because it was clear they were detectable. Desperate for answers, NASA and ESA reviewed decades of archived data from Pioneer and New Horizons. Nothing matched. No precedent existed. No historical record of formations this precise on this scale. That absence led to a chilling possibility. The swarm had always been there, dormant or hidden, only visible to Voyager's analog systems that lacked modern digital noise. As the objects passed Voyager 1, the spacecraft itself changed. Dormant systems activated. Old memory banks reawakened. Data rerouted through channels unused for decades. The timing matched one of the swarm's magnetic pulses. Whether Voyager adapted or was altered remains unknown. Analysis of the pulses hinted at something even stranger. The signals resembled harmonic structures used in quantum information experiments. The swarm behaved like a distributed network, hundreds of nodes communicating through the vacuum of space. And Voyager, outdated and quiet, became the perfect receiver. If the signals were not meant for us, then what were they meant for? Beyond the edge of the solar system, two aging probes have encountered something vast, organized, and deliberate. Not a fluke. Not a mystery we can dismiss. 305 objects moving in formation, communicating through structured pulses, bending physics we barely understand. And Voyager itself, no longer just observing, but changing. Perhaps the most unsettling truth is this. We may not be the ones who made the discovery. We may have simply been noticed.